Hi, I'm Nikki from Ergobaby and I'm here today to demonstrate our range of baby carriers. That's going to include our Omni Breeze and Dream, our Omni 360, our wonderful Aerloom Carrier, Embrace, and our Aura Wrap. So we're going to fit the Ergobaby Omni Breeze carrier. So our model today is 8 months old. So we've made sure that this seat is in the widest position. It's an inward facing carry. So the sliders are nice and wide. And we're going to start by fitting the lumbar support on Mum. So Mum, if you hold your carrier and take the lumbar support round. So we fit the lumbar support and the waist belt first. The clip goes through a safety elastic on the side of the lumbar support, and we've got a really secure clip that just holds everything securely. And from this position, we can make sure that the carrier is fitted nice and high and the lumbar support is in the middle. So we want to just cinch that carrier in a little bit on one side and cinch it in a little bit on the other side. So from here, now it's time to pick up baby. So we have baby Aurora on Mum's chest. So Mum, we're going to put her legs either side of the carrier. And if you bring the fabric up over her back, and we're going to pop those straps up over your head. Wonderful. So from here, keeping hold of baby nice and securely, just reach one hand behind, find your clip, and with both hands, just pop it into the buckle. Same with the other side. And what we're doing is making sure that baby is positioned nice and highly on the chest. Great. And the final thing we always do when fitting an Ergobaby carrier is to make sure that we do the hip tuck. So Mum, we're going to put both hands inside the carrier around Aurora's bottom. So just in where pop her bottom under. Wonderful. And her legs around and her arms can come up either side. So she looks amazingly comfortable in your carrier. How does that feel?
Very good.
So this is our Ergobaby Omni 360 Cool Air Mesh. It's set up ready to go for baby Aurora. It works in exactly the same way as the Omni Breeze and the Omni Dream. You have your seat fittings and you have your sliders. So we're going to start by putting our lumbar and waist belt on as before. So the consistency between the two carriers is great, but we've got a slightly newer model in the Omni Breeze rather than the Omni 360 Cool Air Mesh, but they do up exactly in the same way. Lumbar support through the safety elastic, again, wearing your carrier up nice and high, making sure that that lumbar support is cinched in on the waist either side. And now we can pop baby to chest. So with a correctly fitted waist belt, Mum, we're just going to pull the fabric up over Aurora's back. We're going to pop those straps over your head. Fabulous. And then we're just going to reach behind, find the thin end of those straps and then pop them in the clip. So the Omni 360 Cool Air Mesh has a safety elastic before you pop the buckle in. So we've got to be mindful of making sure that that is fitted correctly. On both sides. And of course, once your carrier is set and fitted to your shape and size, you don't have to readjust the tapes and where the buckles come in and fit. You'll be able to just pop it on and it's fitted correctly to your size with baby. And the last thing we always are mindful of doing is doing that pelvic tuck. So we'll pop out both our hands inside the carrier, around her bottom. We're just going to tuck her bottom under to make sure that she's sat nicely in her carrier. Great. We're now going to fit the Ergobaby Aerloom Carrier. So this is our 4-minute fabric, which is actually made of 97% recycled plastic. So it's our venture into sustainability. In the same way that our previous carriers, we always fit the waist belt first. So we're going to pop this on mum and do up the buckle securely. So again, we always have the safety elastics on the clip on the lumbar support. So that again is always up nice and high. So we go through the safety elastic, clip the two together. And to make sure that our carrier is always fitted in the center, we do up a little bit of the waist belt on one side and the other. And from this position, we can now pick up baby Aurora, bring her to chest. So once the waist belt has been securely fitted, we've got baby to chest. We're just going to bring the fabric up as we do with all of our carriers. Baby up nice and high. And this one does up slightly differently. So we're going to just pop our straps, our arms through our straps so that they're secure on our shoulders. And we've got a clip to do up at the back. So from here, we're just going to take the weight of little one and do the clip behind the shoulders. Great. Finishing as we do with all of our carriers by popping your hands inside, just tucking her bottom under. Yes, yes. And we're done. So now we're going to have a look at the Ergobaby Embrace carrier. So this is a newborn carrier, really designed to give you that support for the first few weeks and months. It's not structured like the Omni Breeze and the Omni 360. So this doesn't have as much support, but it's an ideal carrier for holding baby really close during your 4th trimester. So we're going to pop it on. So we're going to twist it towards the tummy twice for a newborn baby. And we're going to clip this one up on the side, again, through the safety elastic and then into the buckle. Perfect. Again, always baby carrying up nice and high. And then from this position, we're going to put baby in and put our shoulder straps on. So as Aurora is 8 months old, she's a little bit big for our Embrace carrier. Although it is weight tested up to a year, so it is fine for those short periods of time. We're going to use our baby model as our newborn in this demonstration. So again, we put baby to chest, the legs at either side, and we bring the fabric up over baby's back. And because our straps on the Embrace carrier go in a cross position, we're going to go over with one strap, reach behind, bring the buckle to the front and clip it in. And we're going to go over with the second strap. We're going to reach down underneath, bring the buckle to the front, clip it in. And as we do with all of our carriers, we make sure we do that little pelvic tuck. So pop our hands inside the carrier, around baby's bottom, twist their hips under so they're in the seated position, hands up to the side. And then with this carrier, which is really lovely, is you can just put your thumb through the inner fabric and just bring it down over your shoulders to spread the weight of baby as they get slightly bigger. But it's designed to make you feel like you're having that lovely embrace. We also have the Ergobaby Aura Wrap. Designed from newborn, it allows you to hold baby close within those first few weeks and months. And it's a long piece of fabric which is easily tied around the body. So because our model is 8 months, we're going to use our newborn baby for this. And mum's going to show you how to tie the wrap. It has a center tog, so that allows you to find the center piece which goes around your tummy. You bring the fabric up over your shoulders, pop it back through the waist belt, crossing it over, and you can tie your aura with the loose ends either at the back or at the front. We like to tie it, so we're going to cross it over, bring it back round to the front. We like to tie it in a secure knot at the front. So once baby's to chest, we're going to make sure that their legs come through the shoulder straps, feeding their legs gently. Where the fabric crosses over, we're going to create the seat that baby's bottom is going to be cradled. Do it on both sides. And make sure that the fabric is pulled all the way over baby's back and arms. And then the final thing is we're going to put the legs through the waist strap, and we're going to pull that fabric up over their back to support them. The last thing we'll do is just make sure that we've got that little pelvic tuck in their hips by just tucking their bottoms under, and then making sure that their face and their airflow is nice and open. So I hope you found this Ergobaby baby carrying guide really useful, and to shop the range, please click the link below. Alternatively, if you're local, please pop into store where one of our nursery specialists will be happy to demo the carriers for you, and you can also go online and book a virtual appointment. Bye!